Hi guys, welcome back to Nduta's kitchen. Today we're going to be making some nice tomato salad. We will need some tomatoes. These are just normal tomatoes, they're just small in size. You would confuse them to cherry tomatoes, but they're just normal tomatoes. It's just that I think they didn't grow and mature enough to be so big. So when I saw them in the market, I decided to buy all of this. And I thought that they would be perfect for my tomato salad because they're going to make my tomato salad very pretty. However, you can just use normal tomatoes, the big red tomatoes, or some cherry tomatoes for this kind of salad. The next thing I'm going to use is a lettuce, some red onions, a cucumber. I'm going to be using 3 onions. For our dressing, we are going to use some vinegar, some salt, and some sugar. If you have some olive oil, you can use your olive oil. So because my tomato is not very big, I'm going to be cutting it into 4 parts so that I can achieve a nice quarter-shaped tomato. The thing with this salad is that it's a very pretty salad because of the colors that go into the salad. And the other thing that makes the salad very pretty is the shapes that you decide to cut your vegetables into. So if you decide to cut your tomatoes into half, then make sure that all your tomatoes are cut into half, and make sure that all your other vegetables are cut to resemble the shape that you've cut your other vegetables. This is what I mean, guys. I decided to cut my tomatoes into quarters, and so all my tomatoes are cut into quarters and have the same shape. So I'm now going to continue cutting all my other vegetables, and we're going to add them into this bowl. The next thing I'm going to put into my salad is some onions, and because I don't like to bite into my onions, I will cut my onions into very small pieces. So however, if you don't mind it, then you can cut it into your preferred size. So I've now finished cutting my onions, and I have added my onions into our tomatoes, and our salad is starting to show up. The next thing that is going to go into our salad is some cucumbers, and I'm just going to cut them in the same shape that I cut my tomatoes, the same quarter shape that I cut my tomatoes, just like that. It almost resembles the same shape as my tomatoes, and that is what we want. The next thing I'm going to cut is some lettuce, and I'm going to cut them into very small pieces. This is just out of preference. If you like, you can cut them into big pieces. You can actually just stir your lettuce using your hands. So I've now finished preparing all my vegetables, and I've put them inside this bowl, and I'm now going to mix them nicely to make sure that everything mixes properly. And then we're going to add our dressing. So for my dressing, I will add some vinegar, a bottle top of vinegar, some salt to taste, some sugar to taste. I'm saying this because the amount of dressing depends on the amount of salad you have. I decided to show you my dressings again because I didn't think that you were saying properly. The sugar, guys, the sugar is the secret ingredient. Don't leave it out the next time you're making this salad. And some olive oil, guys. I didn't have any, but some olive oil will be good. This salad goes perfectly well with any chicken dishes. You know, if you have some chicken stew or some roasted chicken, this salad would be the best for you. Any rice dishes as well, some biryani, some pilau, this salad is gonna do great with that. I hope you liked watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge, and if you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell because you will be notified the next time I post something. Until next time, bye.